What's up, guys? Welcome to your channel. Today we're gonna make pizza in 5 minutes. Let's go over all the ingredients that you need to make vegetable quick 5-minute pizza. So the bread that we're gonna be using is naan flatbread, tandoori baked and hand stretched. We're gonna be using this bread. So obviously we have peppers, tomatoes, onions, peppers. For sauce, I like honey barbecue sauce, so I have this honey barbecue sauce that we're gonna use. Obviously olives, banana peppers, jalapenos, and mozzarella shredded cheese. So these are the ingredients we're going to be using to make quick 5-minute vegetable pizza. Let's get started. Put some barbecue sauce. Put some red peppers. Alright, now we're going to put that in the oven. Now we're just going to let it sit for 5 minutes and it'll be ready. This is it, guys. Quick snacks, 5-minute pizza, barbecue, all the veggies on it. Looks good. Awesome. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel for more future videos.